We are about to start the virtual intra KRMUN.
I, Aryan Dugal, the chairperson of United Nations Human Rights Council, simulated at KRMU1 Intra 2020, a virtual conference, declare this conference open. Now we'll be starting with our MUN.
Of USA mentioned in his speech that the George Floyd case was not a racism one, but of police brutality. But it has been noticed that earlier, when the white people committed such crimes, they were just imprisoned. What you have to say about that?
Well, delegate, as I earlier stated, discrimination is not between the whites and the blacks, but between the poor and the rich. Now, the white persons, which must have been imprisoned or arrested, were due to maybe because they were rich. And a lot of white people also face police brutality. But the only thing is that does not come to spotlight. When it comes to blacks, it comes to spotlight because a lot of other countries are using their propaganda to highlight this and form a negative image for the United States of America.
Delegate of Philippines, your question.
As the delegate of US stated that the George Floyd murder, that the George Floyd was a case of police brutality, not a case of discrimination, how could he state that?
What is your question, delegate?
I'm saying that there have been many protests in USA, but there have been no effect of those protests, as there are many people who are still dying in police custody after the death of George Floyd.
A delegate of Marshall Islands, your motion.
Thank you. The delegate of Marshall Islands would like to raise a motion to establish the GSL for the agenda measures of racial discrimination for the total time being 45 seconds.
Perfect. This motion is on order. Delegates voting for the motion raised by Marshall Islands, raise your hand. This motion clearly passes. We have around
5 seconds. You may begin.
Thank you before recognition. Mr. Nitish Kumar, the CM of Bihar, is trying its best to help the migrants at any cost. They had released a sum of 100 crore from the CM Relief Fund, which is utilized for setting up shelters for daily wage earners. The lockdown has led to set-off losses of 12 crore persons. Out of these, around 4 crore are only migrants.
In this situation of crisis, everyone has suffered, and there is no doubt that our base migrants have suffered even more, for which we have worked on grassroots level, providing them with financial aid, hospitals, bus services, ration rent, etc. I want to sincerely appreciate the patience of all 135 crore population of India who have worked really hard with hand in hand. Now it's time for the economic revival and ensure the safety of all people. Thank you.
And were tested COVID positive. This number largely consists of those migrant workers who return to their home on walking by foot or by other unofficial means of transport without telling the authorities or without informing the central government. Nearly 50 to 60,000 workers have been identified, but some of them are still left. Identified such persons is made possible only due to continuous community surveillance, which is being conducted by the department.
Thank you, sir. You have lapsed your time. Just conclude if you have any points left.
Okay.
That the Uttar Pradesh government will pay for train travel of all its migrant workers. I have also proposed that other states need to seek permission from the Migration Commission of Uttar Pradesh before hiring laborers from the state. This may impact the laborers, but the Migration Commission will work in the interest of the migrant workers.
Almost 10 lakh Rajasthanis living in other states have registered online for employment programs. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. You have 4 seconds left. What is your yield?
Yield to point of information.
Yield to points of information. Speak delegates wishing to ask Ashok Gehlot the question, please raise your hands in one go.
Punjab is leading in the registration for the special stomach trains. The Punjab government had arranged 149 trains to ferry 1,78,909 migrants to their native states till 16th May.
You have elapsed your time.
Human Rights Council. So now, delegates, will be moving towards the award session. We have 2 accommodations and 1 best delegate. The difference between the top 3 is quite like the best del and the HiCom 1 has a difference of 0.4 marks, and the HiCom 1 and the HiCom 2 have a difference of 0.2 marks. Delegates, don't feel discouraged. It is just something. So the high commendations in a particular order, the high commendation 2 goes to the delegate of China. The high commendation 1 goes to the delegate of France. Now, delegates, we have the badge delegate at the United Nations Human Rights Council. The badge delegate goes to the delegate of Marshall Islands.
So I'll be announcing the high commendations and the best delegate award. The high commendations are in a particular order. So please listen to me very carefully. The third high commendation is to Rahul Gandhi from Indian National Congress. Please have a roll.
Can we see Rahul Gandhi? Acknowledge, please, Rahul Gandhi.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
It's me, Manya.
Manya,
Now,
good Manya.
Now the second high commendation award is given to a delegate who ensured the maximum participation in the committee. He always rose his hand if he was always recognized to ask the questions, to give the speech, and also he was a good. He wrote a good amount of chits. So the second the second high commendation award.
Thank you. Thank you.
Please have a round of applause for Bhupesh Baghel.
Thank you.
The first high commendation award goes to Mamta Banerjee.
Thank you.
And lastly,
Thank you
best
so much.
delegate. Now, the delegate who has got the best delegate ensured maximum participation, as well as his points were quite necessary, and the content that he spoke as well as he wrote. Moreover, his chits were fabulous. I hope Idam Kumar has a comment to make on him. So the best delegate award goes to Yogi Adityanath.
Thank you. It is very, it makes me feel very proud that it is for the first time that in all the first timers, it was a committee of all the first timers and everyone took part. Like all those who were present spoke once, asked questions. Like it was very good on your side. I'm very proud of all of you. You can give in your feedbacks to me. You can submit your general feedback about the MEN also. The link has been shared on your WhatsApp group. Until next time, bye bye. You can text